Whoa! Didn't see you there, guys. Today we're gonna learn about the cell cycle. It'll be fun. The first stage of the cell cycle is G0, the resting phase. The next step into the cellular cycle is G1, aka the growth stage. It usually lasts 10 hours. Alright, I really don't think Barry Bonds belongs in the NFL Hall of Fame. Dude, alright, hear me out. Just because he was good in March Madness last year? No. Oh! Wanna watch? Oh! As you can see going right behind me is cell growth.
So now we're gonna talk about the S phase, which stands for the S phase. So the S phase is basically just when the DNA is here and then it splits to there.
So now we're at G2, which stands for growth 2. This is basically when the cell grows a little bit bigger to have to deal with all the extra DNA that was just duplicated in the S phase. The S phase.
Alright, now we're gonna be talking about the cytokinesis phase, which is basically when the cell splits, just like these Xbox games right here. They're gonna split just like the cell, and they split.
Another factor that factors in with the cellular cycle rate is radiation. For instance,
with radiation, it is used to treat cancer because it can kill the cells faster than the cells can grow and replicate and spread, which is why it is an effective way to treat it, and it saves people's cells.
Another example that's an example of the cell rate slowing down is temperature. Just like when the body lowers past 98.2 degrees, I can't do it. Just like when my self-esteem lowers, it slows down. Just when Hannah makes fun of me, you know? And when Megan declines my marriage proposal. It's too much, dude, too much. Dude, we booing out here, boy. We booing. Get ready for that photosynthesis. Get ready for that photosynthesis. That cell respiration, dog. It's that cell respiration, dog. You ain't even ready.
Now time for part 2. Ryan, why are you playing this trap music right now? We're trying to do a project. How about you mature up?
To conduct photosynthesis, you need 3 inputs and 2 outputs. The 3 inputs are water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. The outputs are oxygen and photosynthesis.
So, photosynthesis has to happen in sunlight. If there is no sunlight, there will be no growth. A factor of the luminosity of the illumination of the illuminated light is how illuminated it is. So if it's illuminated illuminationally high, it'll grow faster. And also the pH levels is a factor. If the pH level is too high, it'll be too acidic to synthesize. Are you recording? You recording? It's recording. Right. Oh, okay. So the inputs and outputs of cellular respiration are the inputs are glucose and oxygen, and the outputs are H2O, water, carbon dioxide, and at the party.
The first factor to cellular respiration that can affect the rate is temperature. If the temperature is too cold, then the rate will slow down and not enough ATP will be made because it's all slowed down. Another factor is oxygen. If there's not enough oxygen, as you know, if you don't breathe, you start to die. It's just simple physics. And the third unknown factor is John C.